Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Finn with Finn TV. This is my little boy Grayson. He's with me today in the shop. He's gonna help me film this video. And today we're gonna show you what come in the mail for our crappie boat. It is a spider lock rod holder for spider rigging for crappie. And I believe it's the R100 by Millennium Marine. So we're gonna show you how to put that on today. So what we got here, we've got the R100 rod holder spider lock by Millennium Marine. You ready? Yeah.
I'm ready.
You ready? So this is what you get whenever you open the box. You got the rod holders, 4 of them. You got the post and the bracket, and there should be a mounting bracket in here somewhere. Little piece of plate. Here it is right here. It's going to come with 4 screws and instructions. So we got the base put together with the arm. We don't have the rod holders on yet.
And again, we should take this piece off, this piece off, this piece off.
That's right.
This piece off.
Alright, so it comes with a plate. You're going to want to put the plate that's got the countersunk holes facing up. Pick where you want your rod holder. This deck right here is, this is a Bass Tracker Classic. It's got wood decks on the top. Depending on what kind of boat you have, if you got a fiberglass boat, more than likely the deck's are fiberglass. If it's aluminum boat, they're either going to be wood, plywood decks, or it's going to be aluminum. The screws that they've supplied is not a self-starting screw, for like a self-tapping screw, I mean. So what you're going to need is you're going to need a number 3 Phillips bit. Got a number 3 right here.
Unscrew this part out.
And I've got a small impact. I've pre-drilled these holes with a 1/16. So now that I've got these 4 screws in on this plate, you'll see here you've got 2 1/4-20 wing nuts or bolts. And you're just going to screw that right in there. So this piece right here So my first favorite thing about this mount is this right here. When you're not using it, all you have left in your boat is this plate. When you're hauling it down the road or whatever, you can take this off. And it's pretty simple to put back on. You've got what looks like 2 1/4-20 threaded bolts with just like wing nuts on the end. The height adjusts. And also, you can swing this to any position and then lock it back down. You can adjust which way you point these, and then you also can set what rod you want. And all you need to put this in is a small impact driver or a drill and a number 3 Phillips bit. I appreciate y'all watching the video, watching me and Grayson put this rod holder together. Thanks for watching. Until next time, hit that like button and subscribe for us if y'all like seeing the content.